we will be cooking Roma tomato curry today. So we have sliced the tomatoes nearly into half. To cook the tomato curry, we are tempering the onion, curry leaves, and chili, fennel, and mustard seeds.
Fennel seed, mustard.
Fennel seeds and mustard seeds. We are mixing that, the spice mix, to make it ready for the tomato. Now we are adding a garlic and ginger. We are adding the ginger now. So we are mixing all the dry spices and the green spices and tempering them. And now we are going to add the powder spices. That's the chili powder that we are adding, the roasted chili powder. Then the roasted curry powder that we are adding. And also we are adding the tumeric powder. Then we will add the salt. Then we mix them together to create the base for the tomato curry. This is the spicy tomato curry. Now we are going to add the tomatoes, mix them together. So we are coating the tomato with all the spices. We have added the spice powder and the tomatoes, and we are coating the tomato with the spices and other spice base. And now we are going to add some water to it. Now we are adding the coconut milk. That's why we always use a frozen coconut milk. And in addition to that, we add the tamarind juice and mix them, and we will boil them for a few minutes. We have cooked the tomato gravy. This is the spicy gravy now. This bubbling now. That's the last stage of the cooking. They are ready. You can see the tomatoes is they're intact, and it will be very colorful, very tasty. And thank you very much for watching this video. Appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. I will put the recipe part of this video. Thank you for watching.